Okay, ang didiscuss po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa heredity. Okay? How traits pass from parents. Oo. Napapansin nyo ba na na kayo ba'y magkakamukha ng inyong mga kapatid? Ganun? Or kamukha ba kayo ng mga magulang ninyo? Ba? Ito yung tinutukoy natin ng tungkol sa heredity. Okay? Yung mga naipapasang traits o yung mga namamana. Okay? Let's proceed. Um, the first question is, can you roll your tongue? Sino pwedeng gumawa niyan dito sa atin? Okay? Tingin ko may mga nakakagawa niyan. Okay? So, pwede ba ako magtawag? Then, lalabas niya yung, magbubukas siya ng cam, then iro-roll niya lang yung tongue niya, the same as this. Where's the image? This one. So, napapansin natin ito. Okay? Sabi rito, ang tanong dito is, can you roll your tongue into you? Dalawa lang naman sagot dyan, yes or no. Can we show it? Can I call names here? And then what you'll do is to open your cam, then you try to roll your tongue into you. The same with the image here. If that's okay. Okay lang po ba? Hello? 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 Okay, magtatawag ako. Nandyan po ba si Dizon John Frats?
Dito po, sir.
Okay, can we open the cam and then you try to roll your tongue? The same with the image here. Wow, nice. Thank you. So, sir, um, nagawa ko po yun. Dalawa lang naman ang sagot doon. Yes, I can roll it, and then no, I can't. Siguro some of us can't. Okay? So, we will find out why. Bakit kaya? Let's proceed. Okay? So, by the end of the day, ito yung matutunan natin. Okay? We will spot the dominant and recessive traits. Okay? These are the language of genetics. So, to identify the dominant and recessive characteristics in inheritance scenarios. Okay. Next is to define core terms such as gene, allele, trait, dominant, recessive. These are the words that we heard earlier from the clip that we have watched earlier. Okay. Dominant, recessive, of course. Let's proceed. Naririnig pa rin ako, ha? Okay. Wait. Hello, check. Okay. These are the words or genetic word wall that we must understand. The first one is the gene. Unit of heredity, a segment of DNA that codes for a trait. Okay, this is how we define it. Gene. Next, allele. Different forms of gene. So may form pala ang gene. The example for this is capital T for tall and we use small t for short. Okay? So for the trait, it is an observable characteristic like eye, color, height. Observable characteristic. Alam naman natin ang ibig sabihin ng observable characteristic, right? Okay, so balik tayo. Gene is a unit of heredity. Okay? A segment of DNA that codes a trait. So, siya yung nagko-code kung ano ba yung trait na meron ka o magkakaroon ka. Okay? Yung allele naman is a form of gene. We have T, capital T for tall, and short t, small t for short. And for the trait, we define trait as an observable characteristics. Sample eye, color, and height. For dominant allele, we express Okay, even with only one copy, written as capital letter, the same as this. Okay, so it means, sir, this letter T is a dominant trait or dominant allele, which is capital T. And for recessive allele, it is expressed only with two copies, okay, that are present. They are written lowercase, short, okay, meaning this small t is recessive. And for the bigger T is dominant, okay? So just remember, sabi rito, big letter is bossy, meaning dominant siya, dominant trait. Small letter, shy or recessive. Okay? So sana matandaan natin yon. Sagot niya kayo kung nakakasabay kayo ng yes. Nasusundan ba? Okay, thank you. Let's proceed. So for dominant and recessive, this is how it is written. For dominant, we use T, okay, big T or capital T, and for recessive, we use small t. Sabi dito for dominant, it shows up even with one copy. Okay? So if we have seen one capital T or even two, wait, okay, let's proceed. Written as capital letter, of course, for dominant, expressed, we may express it double capital T, and then the other one is also a dominant one, okay? When it is written with smaller one, it is called as dominant. Okay, these are their how do we express the dominant. For recessive trait, needs two copies to show up. Okay, this is a short allele and short trait. Okay, written as lower case letter, expressed only in small two t's. Okay, so we have here two words. Okay, that describe them. Genotype means genetic makeup. So meaning for for two big two capital T's, and then the combination of big and small t's, and the other one two recessive, they're called as genotype. Okay, for phenotype, what you actually see. Okay, this is a short, this is a tall, this is a tall also, dominant. Okay, so for phenotype, the description, parang ganon. Next, for human traits, which are common for tongue rolling. Uh, we ask someone to roll their tongue into you. Okay. So the dominant form here is can roll tongue, and some cannot. Of course, they are recessive. Okay. For earlobes, okay, sa tenga naman, free and attached. Okay. These are the dominant. And for recessive form of earlobe, okay, so attached. For widow's peak naman, widow's peak present, and then the other one is a straight hairline. Okay, next for thumb naman, straight thumb. Next is hitchhiker thumb. For dimples naman, the dominant trait for dimples, let's say, may mga nakikita naman ako sa room natin na may mga dimples. So it means their trait is dominant. Okay. The other classmate or students have no dimples. Okay. Uh, so it means this is their recessive form. Okay. Okay. For the organizer, we have the concept map. Okay. How do we connect this? For the gene, this is the segment that codes a trait. Okay. Kaya minsan sabi yung mga kakilala natin about us. or they coin the word or statement, it's about your genes, di ba? Parang ganon. It's in your genes, parang ganon. So, may kanya-kanya kasi tayong code. Okay? So, for the concept map, for the first one is the DNA segment that codes a trait. So, it all goes back to genes. Okay? Next one is the allele, a form of the gene. Okay? We have letters. We use letters. Capital T or short t, meaning these are alleles. Okay? Okay? The other one is the trait, the observable result. We may use the word phenotype here. The phenotype, what you actually see, tall or short, right? The other one, genotype, is the genetic makeup. Okay, so if it is dominant, double T capital. Okay, the other one is dominant pa rin naman to. Okay, pero hetero siya. Okay, meaning combination of recessive here and the big one, hetero ang tawag dyan. Okay, next. So allele branch into dominant and recessive. One copy for dominant, capital T, okay, for the allele here. And for the recessive needs two copies. Okay, so next. Okay, when genes affect health. So, naipapasa ba yun, sir? Kung sakali. Let's say, merong um, depekto sa gene natin. May papasa kaya yan? What do you think? Say from our grandparents or anyone from the line of our family. Do you think even the sorry, even their defect in their genes will be passed on to the offspring or the next children or the next generation? What do you think? Mapapasa kaya yon? Who wants to answer the question? Okay, nag-like si Queenie. Okay, Realin, Ortea. Okay, good. Okay. Kaya minsan kapag pumupunta tayo sa ospital, di ba? Tinatanong agad ng doktor, what's your history? What is the history of the family? Tama ba? Alam ko naman na nakapunta na tayo sa ospital and we used to hear the word history from our genes or from our family. Parang ganun. Okay? So even the defect or yung disease ng family could be passed on. Okay? So the first one is when gene affects the health. The first one is the color blindness. So difficulty telling the certain color apart. Okay? So may mga test na ganyan sa mata. This is caused by a gene passed from parents. Okay? So possible may pasa kung ano man yung sakit na meron sa family nyo. Para hindi na ganun kahirap sa doktor ang gamutin ng isang pasyente or tama, pasyente. Okay, the other one is sickle cell anemia, wherein the red blood cells become crescent. So as you can see, yung mga blood, they're donut shape or dome shape. Pero sa sickle cell anemia, papansin niyo becomes crescent shape like moon, di ba? Affecting the oxygen flow. Okay, this is an inherited condition. Tayong mamana. Sabi rito, many inherited diseases follow recessive pattern. Follow recessive patterns. Okay, they appear only when two recessive alleles meet. Okay. Let's proceed. Okay. For uh, for the um, for the assignment, I want you to screenshot this um, assessment natin that will be checked by Wednesday, tomorrow. Okay, I want you to answer this question. The first one is to define the term allele in your own words. Okay, Then next one is give one example of the dominant trait in humans. Simple lang naman. Then the third one here, what is the difference between genotype and phenotype? Next, wait, parang may nag-message sa akin. Where are you? Okay. Thank you. Nice. Okay. Then tama, 4, true or false. Recessive trait is always expressed in the offspring. Okay. 5, if trait requires two recessive alleles to be expressed, what is the genotype of an affected individual? So the note here, answer in your notebook. We'll discuss this tomorrow. Okay. Additional, I want you to become a genetics detective. So research one genetic disorder or kahit anong sakit, okay, caused by a recessive allele. Example, albinism or cystic fibrosis. And then, uh, deliverable, describe what it is and how it is inherited. Paano, i-explain nyo lang, paano ba siya namamana? Okay? So today we learn genes, alleles, and traits. The language of heredity. Okay? The capital is a dominant, and then one copy lang, okay na yun. And then for recessive, lowercase, 2 copies. For genotype is the code, and phenotype is what we see. Okay? That's it for today. I think uh, sana natuto kayo. Natuto po ba kayo? You may open your mic. Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, salamat po. Bukas,
Yes,
sir.
salamat
Yes,
po sa
sir.
inyo sa pagdala nyo ng klase natin. Bukas yung mga pinagawa natin. Okay? And we'll solve it together. Thank you. That's it. You may leave the GC sorry, not GC, the meet now. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Ingat kayo.
Sir, bye po.
Okay. Oops, may tanong si Ashanti. Tanong ba?
Sir, excuse
Yambaw.
po. Ano
Po,
po yung
sige po.
like lesson para po maka-study po ako?
Okay. It's about heredity.
Sir?
It's about heredity.
Sige po, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Sige po. Salamat.
Bye, sir. Slight
Bye
lang
po.
po kasi naintindihan ko, sir.
Okay. Pasensya kung dahil dyan sa audio or masyadong marami yung info. Sige. Bukas, pagpapatuloy natin yan. Sige. Ingat.